Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix account warning problem on TikTok. So guys, if you are facing account warning on your profile, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, what you need to do is just simply close this page, and if you have broken community guidelines of TikTok, that's why it's showing their account warning. So if you want to fix this issue, firstly you have to open your TikTok, and now from here just simply tap on your profile. Now from here you have to tap on three lines, tap on setting up privacy. Now from here you have to tap on security, then you have to turn off two-step verification, and then you have to go back from here, and after that you have to remove the app from your phone, and then you have to reinstall it, and then you have to log in your account in it, and after that hopefully account warning will disappear from your TikTok. And if you want to another thing, then you have to make a request. For that you have to open your account, and then you have to tap on three lines, just simply tap on setting up privacy. Now scroll it down from here, tap on report a problem. Now wait for a while from here. Now scroll it down, just simply tap on account and profile. Now from here just simply tap on profile page, scroll it down, just simply tap on author. Now from here you have to tap on no, just simply tap on need more help. And here you have to put the screenshot of your profile page, and here you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. And after that what you need to do is just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and TikTok team will contact with you within 48 hours, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.